started off. Watch this. Well, what it looks like today is another great invention. Just to let y'all know, I got one of my bad butts recording just for now, because right now we kind of in a rush. And today's event is on taking my son out somewhere to a place he gonna love. And, you know, I missed out a couple times on taking him there, but this year he's making it. But today what we doing is we going to this thing called Monster Jam. All the monster truck stuff, as you can see. I don't know if y'all seen before. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see my son on there. He loves monster truck things. So today is his day that I'm just creating content on, taking him. I got a walkie-talkie. Oh yeah, this is the thing I got from Duty. How to take that and interrupt their little show. But yeah, we going to the monster truck show, taking my son out. He's gonna have a blast, and we gonna make the best of it. Got all my batteries for the camera. You know I'm gonna must need those, because for some reason about the ZV-1, the Sony ZV-1, them batteries die quick. But other than that, man, if y'all new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And more at most. Welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. And you can see that we got August in the building. Tell them what's up. What's your channel name again? August Bloggers.
August Bloggers.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. I'm gonna need you to help put that bracelet on. Them bunions down there, they bite. They bite like him, huh? Like, bro, do they bite? Oh, yeah. Can't see your bunions. Yeah.
I can't.
Sit. Sit it down. Now. That's my big boy.
How you gonna be mean to him?
Where you at, bro? Where you at? He in there? Or he over there? Hey. Is he over there? Where you at? Where's he at? Is he over there? Okay. You better not get my baby or I'm gonna get you.
You don't like Tanila. Huh? You don't like Tanila.
Trying to get my baby? Huh? You gonna get that whoop. You want that whoop, boy? Do you want that whoop, boy? Huh?
Too bad.
Hey, should I bring my cup or no?
No. No, because you're gonna easily lose it.
I'm gonna easily lose it? Yeah, because your brother is alive.
He gotta do with your cup.
Huh?
He gotta do with your cup.
Focusing on him. What he got? They got a lot to do with my cup. That boy right there is like another set of y'all. But he just ain't expensive as you. Just to let y'all know, her behind the camera, boy, I can have a Bentley truck. How much money she be asking for me?
You have seen her, bro.
Like, woo, your sister expensive, huh?
I barely even get anything off of this girl.
She stingy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Stingy.
Oh.
Look at your clothes.
Tell him.
Spend more money than anybody. What your mama do with my cologne? Well, anyways, come on, let's get up out of here.
Spray some perfume.
Let's spray some cologne. Silly. Come on. Still unpacking. You see the boxes. Bridget. But yeah, I'll do a house tour later. We about to get up out of here. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, son.
All right, let's go. Son, look at him, he's sleeping.
A few minutes later.
You ready to see the monster truck, son?
Yeah.
What?
Monster truck.
We done made it to the monster truck. Oh my God. Hey, hold on. Man, my son is so happy. We done finally made it to the location.
Monster truck.
And he excited, such as my nephew. We made it to the monster truck.
Yeah.
Look, you gotta leave your cars. Put your cars back in the car. Look, pick it up. Come on. As y'all can see, man, we up here at the Cardinal Stadium, man. This is the actual Cardinal Stadium. And they got the show up here. We got the pit passes, so we got to get up in here. We already kind of late for the pit passes, but it lasts until 5. But son, you gotta wait.
I heard that out.
You got your wallet and everything, Dad?
Yeah.
All right. Wait up, son. So yeah, man, we done made it here. We finna go see some monster trucks. What's the name of the monster truck? What's the name of it? Monster Max D, whatever. What's the other one called? The Grave Digger. Grave Digger? Yeah. You gonna see the Grave Digger? Yeah. So yeah, man, we just came through the metal detector where they have the checkers. Hold on, man, they got copyright music playing.
Right there.
Where we at, man?
Right there.
I know it.
Mom,
Huh?
hurry up.
Where are we going? It's not there. We gotta go there. Look, hey, it's over there. Look, we still waiting on Papa and them. They got them hemmed up over there. Here they finally come. See August? August over there. So yeah, man, we done made it in. We done got through the metal detector, so we just basically touching in. Just getting here and see how live this show is. August, you ready to see the monster trucks, man?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What? What's your favorite monster truck?
It's my favorite called Brett.
What's his name? The Grave Digger?
Grave
He
Digger.
still got his truck, don't he?
Yup.
But he got a new truck out here.
Oh yeah?
Well, you know that son of a gun be old as I am, the original. But he's got. I hear there's 3 of them.
Grave Digger been around for a while, huh?
Well, he started. He's the original.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he started the original.
Child locator is.
Hey, Grandpa.
What? What is it?
What you see?
You ready to see the truck? It's in there.
Yeah.
The monster truck in there, son.
What time is it?
For questions regarding the digital ticketing system, please visit
Oh, see? Come on, we gotta wait for Papa. We gotta wait for Papa.
We hope you enjoy your experience.
Where'd she say we go?
Right here.
Come on, get hurry up. We done made it up in here. Woo, look at them trucks, man. They look massive. That's what you call a truck. You see it, son? I know it. We supposed to go see it. We just gotta go find our seat. See the monster truck? What's that right there? That's the monster truck? Right, come on, so catch up with Papa. Let's catch up with Papa. Come on. We done made it. Come on, over here, look. Son. Woo, look at that show. Hurry up. Hurry up. This one gonna sit there. Woo, where we at, man? We at the monster truck show? Huh? Is that the monster truck show? Look at them trucks. Is that grave digger? Not sure. That's grave digger? Huh? Daddy get in here with you, man. I'm telling you, my son, this is all he dream about is monster trucks. This dude literally sleeps in his hand. Like right now, it's a car in his hand. Show him the car, son. Son, show him the car. Show the car right here. Show the car. Y'all can see he got a car in his hand. He got monster trucks, but he sleeps with monster trucks in his hand. He can watch this all day like the real monster truck. And now he finally get to see it in person. I forgot what they call that truck right there. You know, I done watched so much of this stuff with him just hogging my TV. I done seen this truck right here really put in some work right here. So this is right here. It's gonna be lit to you, son. This is gonna be lit to you. So give me a high five. That's what I'm talking about. That's my big boy. I know it. Where? That's grave digger right there. I see the grave digger. That's grave digger. Yeah. See, I didn't even know that. I wasn't for sure if that was grave digger. That's who that is? I wasn't for sure. But we gonna see that big truck jump. How high is it gonna jump? It's gonna jump real high? I had got me some pretty close seats. I had to let him get the full experience of it. So this is gonna be his show right here. Like really. Oh, they done turned them on. Man, y'all just missed it. They just started them up. I don't know what that's all about, but got him ready to go. You see that truck? It start up. They got going, son. And look, they're gonna pop up. Because I'm hungry and I'm eating the hell out of these chips. So, real quote of the day.
1 hour later.
Son, he done got impatient. And I guess they done took the trucks out. I guess because they cleaning out the floor or whatever they doing. But I'm going to show y'all something. Look at this dude. He done went to sleep. He was whining. He was acting up. He was like, enough is enough. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to the trucks come out, I'm gonna let the sound of the trucks, because it's gonna be very loud. They say you're supposed to wear some earphones if you want them for the kids, but I think I got a big boy, he can deal with it. But I'm gonna let the trucks wake him up. Let that surprise me. You tired of it? August ain't tired. But we waiting. You better get up. You gonna miss it. You fist to miss it. Because he want to have the biggest attitude. Who won, August? The orange one?
No,
Ooh, the lights cut off. Uh-oh. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What is it, son? Huh? Tell me something, dude.
We're just waiting for San Diego team to
What? Say it loud.
Galaxy getting the pre-fire sign from our officials.
Yeah?
And she does have the green light
Who we
to
got out there
go
now?
on with her great.
See what you got. Come on, let's make something happen.
Make some noise for Caleb Inch.
Hopefully he do better. Young Bird was trash. See what you working with. Show me something.
Look, get ready, get ready.
Look,
Get
look,
ready.
son.
Watch.
Look what he about to do. Handstand. Word. Oh, damn. Did it like that, huh? That worked.
The maximum moonwalk.
What you about to do? Throw the back over there.
Let's hear it for Thomas and Maxty.
See you, Marcus. They all doing things. Okay, now everybody doing the same damn thing. Come back up the hill then if you can. Look at that, son. That's great to the hill.
Another bicycle. Make some noise for Tom the Dude.
Come on, man. You missing the whole show. Look what you missing. Look. You missing it, August. You missing the whole show.
Just unbelievable attempt to very extreme attitude. Tell us what you think. The clock is counting down. Make some noise for Cynthia Dalmatian Galaxy. What a run out here for Cynthia Gautier. Remember, folks, part of the track board. One round of Monster Jam Donuts. Monster Hut Dalmatian Galaxy laid it down with those donuts. Nice momentum, nice speed, a few more seconds.
About to show something real, son. What is it gonna be? Come on, man. No another handstand. Why do you want handstand? So freaking tired of handstands now. Where's that coming out the front? Might be the Nas.
Look, he blowing smoke out of the nose.
There he is,
Really does not care. He'd be more interested when it's on the TV.
Those scores at judgeszone.com.
Yeah, man, we have my son is, I don't know what his problem
The
is.
True Wheels Skills Challenge for the arenas. That's really proving to be super handy.
One hour later.
So we back from the restroom break, son. What was we, roll 21? see. Hopefully my son got him a refresher. This dude is acting up. You ready for round 2, August? August. You ready for round 2? My dad didn't know where to go. I forgot to tell y'all, man, they gave us hell on getting here. Like, ordering Monster Jam tickets, man, they is so terrible with details. Like, we ordered 2 pit passes for the 2, for my son and my nephew. And they didn't put in the details that we would need pit passes for the adults. I thought the pit passes were for the kids. We just got to go down there with them. And remind you, the pit pass is like $20 plus tax. Like $20 plus tax. So we, the adults, will have to buy pit passes just to go down there with your child, for them to look at it and take pictures with the monster truck. So our pit passes went to waste. So I ended up just giving them away to someone. I just found 2 people and gave them away. Then they just like everything, like it was just too much on getting it. It took us like about a good hour almost to get in here. Nobody knew nothing. But yeah, man, we first go for round 2. Hopefully I gotta take it back to the restroom. They just tore down a ramp that was right here and moved it over there. They did that probably less than 5 under 10 minutes.
Before we get to our final competition of the day.
Son. game recording time. First place. Son, he got first place. He got first place. You hear me? August. He got first place? You went for him? Yeah? He running? Alright, I'm catching the backflip for y'all. Trucks at home. This dude is mad because he can't get his monster truck from up here, but the line was long. Yeah, man, it was real. It was definitely real, man. It was definitely something to experience for my son. Like I said, this is what he liked. He loved monster trucks. And right now he disappointed, like I said, because he couldn't get a monster truck. But we got tons of them at home. This look like this is gonna be it, man. We about to close out this channel, man. Y'all already know, man. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. And you know, don't forget to comment below. And you know, this is G1 Vision. You know the slang. You got a vision, you a part of the game. Other than that, man, we out of here. We finna jump in this car. Until then, stay tuned to the next vlog.